Woo! Alright, so today what we got going on is that shit called exhaust manifold coming off.
Cat.
Removing the cat. New O2 sensor. We got some header action going on somewhere in that box. So yeah, stick around.
I can loosen it and shit, but I'm the same. Like once my mom is really that shit broke.
Yep.
Yeah, I told you, I was like, what the fuck? You're not gonna reuse this anyway. Alright, so we taking these bolts off. This one, the one in the back, that little, can you even see that? The support, that. We're gonna bolt those hangers, and then these two. Oh shit, where is it? Right there. We gotta come off. This O2 sensor, and this whole shit can come out. Oh, actually, nah, it'll be easier like this. I was thinking of just dropping the whole thing, but it'll give us some more play. What the fuck, man? And we're gonna do the oil pan gasket because this one's fucked up. So, let's see. Where can I put you at? Like over? Anyway, spray this. Spray those.
Actually, not right now. The open headers.
What the fuck is messaging me?
All the holes.
Alright, so motherfucking this shit, you gotta put a spanner or a fucking, you know, wrench on that bitch and then use the ratchet and take it out because, you know, like Honda, I don't know. Oh my god. Can you see? Yeah, you can. I think. Alright, so I got that shit out. Oh, I got it out. Yeah. Well, now this last bolt right here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh man. That. God damn it. So we got the exhaust pipe out. We got more cooking. The new header. We're gonna also do the oil pan gasket. So I just loosened them all up. I drained the oil. I'm gonna drop it right now. I have to remove the bracket back here that goes to the transmission. And bolt it from here, from there, and from here, and up there, and it should come out. It's like a big plate, like a letter C. Just take that out. It should just pop out. Drain the oil, and yeah, I'm gonna drop this right now.
There's Kevin's beautiful whip. There's my beautiful whip. Is it almost off? Oh, there you go. There it is, guys. There it is. Woo!
Take it out.
Shout out to the boy Kevin right there. Right there. Yeah. We gotta scrape off all this.
Can I get it? You, the guy she tells you not to worry about. Fucking monster truck.
What?
Damn. That's this. This is what it should be looking like. That's what he needs, though. Nah, that's just gay. That's just feminine ass too.
Lunchtime, aka dinner time, aka
Breakfast for tomorrow. See this right here?
Dessert. Don't know about that young tres leches, weak ass motherfucking light don't stay on.
We're in the fucking rave.
Putting them on, putting on the header. After some tough time,
like
right?
8 hours in.
About a couple hours in.
Got the oil pan gasket too.
Yerp. Got that.
He did that. This guy.
We both did it. Alright, chill out.
I'm not even a part of that.
Oh, you can't see nothing, but we about to put the bottom piece to the headers. Let's get it. First startup. That's just smoking. You see it? Smells all burnt.